So here's how to redeem Steam gift cards or gift card keys. So you can simply click on your profile here, and then you can either go to account details or view my wallet. And then on the right here, you will see redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Click on it and then copy and paste the code here. Make sure there is no spaces. Click continue and then click OK or confirm, and the balance should be added to your Steam account. Now, if you're redeeming other keys for games or Steam products, you can simply click on the library here, and then on the bottom, click add a game, and then click activate a product on Steam, and then click agree. Then simply copy and paste the product key here. Make sure there is no spaces. Click confirm, and then the product should be added to your library here, and then you can use it as any other product. That's it. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.